In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the Purchasing Power Parity option on your Gumroad store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this way you will charge customers different amounts depending on the cost of living on their country. So this is very useful to increase your conversion rate at your store. This is very easy. Just go to this left sidebar menu and scroll down until you see settings. Click here and scroll down again. And right here at local, you will see the option to enable Purchasing Power Parity. So if you enable this option, you can change some settings like the maximum discount you will offer. So this is optional. You can set a specific maximum discount if you want to or not. Then this is very recommended to apply only if the customer is currently located in the country of their payment method, because otherwise they can just put a VPN or something like that and they will get a free discount. And lastly, you can exclude a specific product if you want to. So if you want to see how much discount they will get depending on their country, you can click on learn more, because those discounts are being updated every week. But for now, it's between 20 to 70% depending on their country. So after you are done configuring this, just go right here and update the settings. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.